How to start your own ice cream business. Ice cream business are probably the most visited shops by kids and adults alike. Understandably so, as ice cream is one of the most popular desserts in the world. It has been around since the 1500s as a treat for royalty in Europe. But thankfully, now anyone can get a scoop of Rocky's Road whenever they want. The people do. In fact, the average American consumes 22 pounds of ice cream every year. And if you are like me, that number is probably a little on a low end. As a matter of fact, ice cream industry produces more than 870 million gallons of ice cream every year. Over £1 billion if you count frozen treats like cakes, popsicles, and ice cream cookies. So much ice cream is consumed every year that the ice cream industry generated over $5 billion in 2014, and that number is climbing every year. Fact remains that Americans love ice cream, which makes opening an ice cream business a pretty sweet idea. However, an appreciation for ice creams isn't enough to qualify you to start an ice cream shop. There is a lot of business aspects you need to understand before you scoop out your own niche in the ice cream industry. But don't freeze up now. By the time you finish watching this video, you will have a clear idea of exactly what you need to do in order to make your love of soft serve into a freshly served reality. Step 1. Learn how an ice cream business works. Step. The best way to learn something is by doing, and that's gold double for the ice cream business. Honestly, you can read a book about ice cream shops and ice cream business, but until you work at one, you won't fully understand what it means to welcome a customer, or what the perfect consistency of ice cream should be when you serve it. If you really want to understand the ice cream industry, you need to go to work at an ice cream shop. Get a feeling for staffing, for ordering, for marketing, for inventory. A list goes on, and no one can teach you better than an industry veteran who's been running her own shop for years. While there are a lot of ice cream franchises around, the majority of ice cream shops are mom and pop family-owned shops, which have a lifespan of decades, so it shouldn't be hard to find a great shop to learn from. You don't need to go work for them for a long time. Of course, the more time you spend under a successful business owner, the more you learn on how to run your future shop the right way. So utilize the time you do spend with them wisely. Ask questions, take on as many responsibilities as you can. Look for ways to make business more efficient. Really talk to customers. Ask them why they shop at this store as opposed to others. What do they love about it? What would they improve? Learn about the legal requirements for owning your own ice cream business. What permits do you need? What certification does each employee have to have? Find out what equipment you will need. Everything you are doing here is market research, so the more of it you do, the better. Ultimately, it will all boil down into understanding the ice cream business, and this will help you create a solid plan. Step 2. Create a plan. Why do ice cream business fail? The truth is, ice cream business fail for the same reason as many other businesses, the lack of a plan. Your plan is your roadmap. Invest sufficient time, effort, thought, and research into creating your business plan so that when you start an ice cream shop, you don't have to think about what to do at every turn. This is when you decide what kind of ice cream business you want to be. Independent ice cream parlor, franchise, specialty ice cream shop. Maybe you prefer to have an ice cream truck or stand. What kind of business entity will your ice cream business be? Sole proprietorship, partnership, or a corporation? Right, mapping out every decision, cost, and expectation ahead of time. As a result, you would be saving yourself time and the money down the road by allowing yourself to budget accordingly and price compare options. For example, if you know exactly how much you need of specific ice cream flavors, the toppings, then when it comes time to order, you won't panic and order too much ice cream. Moreover, you will know exactly how much to order because you will have already planned it out against your sales projections. This is also the time to research your competition, define and understand your target market, and think about your design and style. If you are not sure where to start, Startup Jungle can help you create an expertly organized and professional business plan for your ice cream business. Just email bplan@startupjungle.com and they will give you the help you need. Step 3. Discover earning potential. How much money do ice cream businesses make? Well, ice cream store workers make about $8 to $12 per hour. Management salaries run between $25,000 to $38,000 a year. That cost you will have to factor into your business plan when figuring out your earning potential. But as the owner, your earning potential depends on how your store does. Are you a franchise or an independent shop? Are you a high-end specialty ice creamery making healthy, organic ice cream in-house, or do you order your flavors in bulk from a distributor? If you are an independent store, you can set your price and your margins as high as you would like. But if your product does not meet expectations, you won't be in business long. However, if your offering does well, you can charge as much as you like for ice cream. Take a look at Lick Honest Ice Cream in Austin, Texas. Its small chain makes all seasonal and artisanal ice cream in-house using organic ingredients, allowing them to charge significantly more than traditional ice cream parlors. On top of that, they have distribution in place allowing them to sell their products throughout the state and even delivery anywhere in the country. If you are a franchise, on the other hand, then your margins are already set and you can check with the franchisor for expectations. Cold Stone Creamery stores, for example, average about $358,000 a year in sales. After operating costs and franchise fee are taken out of that, the store owner can still expect to make a comfortable yearly salary. The earning potential is there. There is an upward trend in disposable income as the economy continues to improve. That drives a higher demand for frozen treats. The ice cream industry in the US brought in just over $5 billion in 2014. Reports statistics and that number is growing every year. They predict that global revenues will reach $74 billion annually by 2018. For those who succeed, the ice cream business offers longevity not available in every industry. The Institute for Documentary Film states that most ice cream businesses are family-owned and have stayed in the business for over 50 years. Reference how to start your own ice cream business. I really appreciate you for watching any Sovann daily videos. In order to receive endless financial and investment videos, please like, share, comment on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe. Thank you.